Good day, viewers. So in today's video I will show you how to use our customized ChatGPT prompt to write statements of the problem in research. So when you open your system, check your internet connection, open your browser, type ChatGPT, enter, then go to the customized prompt, you right click and then open in a new tab. Then you click on start writing my research now. Then here you're going to provide your research format, like you're going to provide these informations, your research topic, your case study and all of that. So I'll quickly get mine. Just copy mine, go back to the browser and paste. Okay, excellent. So next thing is to confirm which of the section I would love to start. Now we are writing statement of the problem, so I'll prompt 1.2. Perfect. So you see, in just 1 minute I've been able to get my statement of the problem. Just watch out. Perfect. So I have gotten my statement of the problem, so I'll just copy from here. I'll go to my Microsoft Word and paste. So after pasting it here, what I will do is just to erase the things I don't want. So I'll just erase those things I don't want it to be in this statement of the problem. So you can see in just 1 minute I've been able to draft a good statement of the problem. So the next thing I will do here is to humanize, but for humanization I will show you that one in my next video. So for you to know how to humanize, you will have to follow me in my next video. So subscribe to our channel, like, comment, of course share, so that you get more updates on how to write a complete research. Thank you. I am Rich Adet, results research consultant working for My Word AI.